Hi everyone, my name is Andres and today I have here the big badass Bosch rotary hammer drill GBH11 and it's not hammering. So I will start with assembling it from the handle and the back cover. It's 6 screws holding the handle. Of course I will unscrew them. Okay, so the screws is out. Okay, now just removing the handle. Okay, I don't need it. Okay, as you can see now we need to change the cord armor. It's damaged. Okay, now it's 4 screws here and 1 nut here. So I will unscrew this nut. I will do that with Allen key. Okay. So it's unscrewed. Okay, now I will unscrew 4 screws here and take the back cover out. Okay, so just removing the back cover. Okay, taking the screws out. Okay, of course, checking the ball bearing. Okay, the carbon brushes. So it's a half carbon brushes left. So I think I will replace it because it's a tool that works in a heavy duty. So, okay. Okay, now we can remove the armature. To remove the armature, we need to lift carbon brush holder a little bit, so I will unscrew the screw here. And lift this one. Of course, if you wish, you can take it out, but normally I'm not taking it out. Okay. Doing the same with the second one. Okay, now trying to take out the armature. Okay, still can't do that. So just lifting. Okay, a little more. Okay, so now the armature is out. Okay. Make sure about this place of the armature. Was to be nice and shiny. Now it's not in very good condition, so we need to change the needle bearing inside the housing. Okay, so of course checking the armature. It looks good. The ball bearing needs to be replaced. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we will start assembling it. Okay, I will unscrew the screw here. Okay, so now I will remove the tool holder head. It's a cap here, plastic cover. Okay, some holding ring here. We need to remove it. So I will try to do that with the pliers, but normally I do that with a screwdriver. Okay, I will do that with a screwdriver. Okay, we need to replace this holding ring because it's really weak and it's now thin. If you can see, it's flat from one side, so we need definitely to replace it. Okay, it's a washer here, the rubber, of course check the rubber for the cracks. Okay, some other parts, the jaws. Okay, okay, it's a little bit worn out here, so we will replace them too. Okay, the flat washer, the spring. Okay, I will take all these parts out from the table. Okay, so what we have now is the housing. Taking it out. Okay, it's a flat washer again here. Okay, so now I think I will remove this cover and separate the motor housing from the gear housing. Okay, I will check how to remove it. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, but I think I need to press it down and spin. Okay, so it's out. Of course, checking this. I see, it must be round, not a flat, so now it's round. That means it's good. Okay, removing the housing, it's sealing here. Okay, so now it's 4 screws here holding the motor housing and the whole hammer mechanism housing together. So I will unscrew them and separate the parts. It will be a lot easier to deassemble it if they are separate. Okay. Okay, the 4 screws is out. Now just separating them. Okay, so it's a plastic housing here. You can see the field here. So okay, but it looks good. So taking it to the box. Okay, now here's a needle bearing. We need to replace it. So okay. Of course, it's full of dust there. Okay. Now I will open the top cover. It's 8 screws holding it. Okay, I will try to view it. Okay, now it's in place. Okay, so okay, not so easy. Okay, they are Loctited, so that's the reason why they are not going so easily. Okay, now I can unscrew them with a cordless drill. Okay, so now it's no glue inside, but still they're getting hard to unscrew them. Okay. Okay, so opening the top cover, and what we see here. Okay, see the blade, and okay, how to show it? I see that the connection rod is broken, but okay, I need to remove all cylinder. Okay, so make sure I will do that. Okay, so now it's a cab here. You can open it with a screwdriver. Okay, so you can see the holding ring here. Of course, we need to remove it. Okay. Now we need to take all the cylinder out. I will try to do that with hand. So, okay, it's going out. So these parts are going out too. Okay. Of course, a lot of grease here. So the connection rod here is all broken, so it cannot hammer, of course. So you can see what left from the connection rod. Okay, so definitely we need new connection rod for this tool. So of course it will be a lot of cleaning and a new grease. When you replace the grease, for example the connection rod, so replace the O-rings, because it makes no sense to not replace them. Okay, now it's a piston here inside. I will try to take it out with the pliers. Okay, so it's here. It's nice and made from aluminum. So okay, it's a O-ring here. We need to replace it in the future. Okay, and the hammer. Okay, we can see some marks here. So it's a small bump here. It's mean that it's wearing out a little bit and seen hard times. Okay, it's a O-ring. Of course, we will replace it. Okay, now it's some flat washers. Okay, so it's a holding ring here. We need to remove it. Okay. So the holding ring removed. So sleeve here. We need to take it out, and after that we see some needle bearings over here. So okay, of course we can remove some other parts. Okay, so now we need to remove them to get to the hammer. Sometimes they are going out easily, sometimes not. Okay, we will try how it's about this time. And okay, just trying to push them out with a magnet. Okay. Okay, so one is out. Okay, they look really bad, so we need to replace them. Just pressing the tool holder a little bit down to make this ones move. Okay, so what we have here? Here we have the hammer, of course the O-ring, fat O-ring. Okay, as we can see here, all O-rings are cracked, so we need new ones. There's the hammer, we have bump here, so of course we need to replace the hammer. So okay, for this one we need new armature ball bearing, the needle bearing inside the housing, carbon brushes, cord armor, okay, some O-rings, holding rings, the tool holder rollers, and connection rod. Of course, new grease and a lot of cleaning. So okay, that was a Bosch big rotary hammer drill, and as you can see, it's not so hard to disassemble it and find the problems for it. So okay, just please subscribe my videos. Now you can follow me on the Twitter, so follow me. Okay, and see you back in my other videos. Bye.